Hi everyone, it's Kim Watson here with a new process video for a mini book called Squeeze the Day that I created for Bella Blvd. The whole point of this mini album was to utilize some of their brand new cut files which they have uploaded into the Silhouette online store. They obviously coordinate beautifully with the Squeeze the Day collection, which, as you can see in the video, is colorful and fun. The patterns are really graphic and modern and absolutely perfect to capture the last of your summer memories. So what I did was grabbed a few of the fruit-shaped cut files and welded them together. Then using the offset facility was able to create these frames. Now, cutting them in white cardstock is really versatile because it means that I can take any of those sweet patterns and fill the inside of the frames, creating some nice bright pages. You will find that with the Squeeze the Day collection, Bella Blvd released these pattern papers into a 6x6 paper pad, which is fabulous for my sized mini book because of the mini book page sizes. They required a slightly smaller pattern as opposed to the larger pattern which is found in the 12x12 papers. As you can see, I've managed to get adhesive everywhere. Oh goodness. There we go, an example of what a few of the pages look like. So now that I have the pages completed, what I'm doing is just popping them together to get a feel for which pages work, or working out my sequence, and using just the size of the jump ring as a guide, punching a little hole in the top of each of the leaves so that the pages can be hung on the ring, and I can then start filling those pages with tags and photographs and other embellishments. You'll notice what I did is I varied the page designs as well. Some of them are a double with the strawberry and the lemon shape, and others are just the lemon shape, just for a bit of variety. The great thing as well about the Squeeze the Day collection is that it comes with a selection of different tags and tag sizes in the ephemera, which not only add some great variety to the mini album, but give me extra space to add photographs and journal spots and other bits and pieces from the die cuts as well as the stickers. Now, because most of the mini books that I create are given away as gifts, I tend not to add, well, obviously I don't add photographs, but what I do is I add little stamped pieces of paper in the suggested photograph size into the mini book, adhered with non-permanent adhesive so that the recipient of the album can just pull them out and add their own photographs. In case you're interested, the stamp set that I used to create the word photo was an age-old stamp set from Making Memories that is magnetic, which is absolutely fabulous in terms of creating your own sentiments and words. It is absolutely invaluable to me as part of my stash. Here what I'm doing is just grabbing some of the ephemera, some of the stickers. Obviously this collection has got an amazing array of different types of embellishments. They included enamel shapes as well as enamel dots for this collection, which really adds beautiful variety. They obviously still do have their regular chipboard and their cardstock die cuts, as well as some really nice washi tapes designed. So it is well worth going onto the online store and taking a look at the full collection for yourself. I made the most of the fact that these tags are plain white on the back, and then just using a pen and a ruler created some journal lines so that whoever receives the album can write their own thoughts and memories down to finish the album off. So thank you so much for watching my process video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe and pop over to bellablvd.net to grab one of these lovely collections for yourself. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous day. Bye.